So you have a BMW 328 3 Series that won't start. So the issue with this is that we bought this car not running on Marketplace. It's got the X-Drive, which is cool. The guy did everything on there. He changed, let's see here. He changed the fuel pump. He changed the relay. He changed the starter. Actually, no, I changed the starter. The starter was smoking. So we fixed it, and it was something that I haven't seen on YouTube or anything. So I figured I'd post this, help somebody out. So if you have one of these cars, 2011 BMW 328, the E90 motor, and it's just crank, no start. First of all, you're gonna toast your starter. Yeah, the starters are pretty bad in these things. Couple things it could be. There's a ground wire down here. It's hard to see it, but there's a ground wire under here that goes into the chassis. It could be that. There's one underneath on the transmission ground wire. It could be that. It could be your fuel pump, or like for us, it was what it was in the fuel tank, not the fuel pump itself, but there was a little hose. I should have recorded it when I did that. There was a little hose that connect to in this side where the fuel pump is. There's a little pressure relief valve, pressure regulator, and it has two hoses that go to it. It's plastic. One of those hoses came off. It took me a while to find it because you can't see it. When I took the fuel pump out, and I noticed something was popped out there, and sure enough, that was it. So now this bad boy starts. Let's see if I can get this in my pocket. Because on YouTube, a lot of people say, "Oh, check the little box and the pump," and there it goes. She needs a tune-up. She's been sitting for a while. So there's some more content coming up. We're gonna do some LED lights, some brakes, rotors, some other stuff, and yeah, this car will be all set. Oh, and the tune-up. Gotta do a tune-up. All right. I hope this content helped you. If you're having trouble with your BMW 328 no start, check those the pressure regulator inside the fuel tank has two hoses, and hopefully that, well, it was for us. It was a pain in the ass to get it on, but we got it done. All right. See you next time.